That dead tree looks like it's about to come down on my house. But I'm scared to get up on a ladder to trim it. And I'm really not in the mood to run a chainsaw. Plus, what do I do with all the branches and wood? These are common issues and concerns, but that's where Bunton Meyer Tree Service can assist. We provide affordable and dependable tree service to clients throughout the St. Louis area. Whether you need routine trimming, stump grinding, or need an entire tree removed, our experienced team is available to assist. So get rid of those ugly dead trees and unsightly stumps. Remove those dangerous tree branches before they damage your home or power lines. And don't risk life and limb by balancing precarious ladder, all while holding a chainsaw. Bunton Meyer Tree Service will tend to your tree trimming problems quickly and affordably. Call Bunton Meyer Tree Service today for all your St. Louis tree removal needs. 314-480-5835. And don't forget to bookmark us online at buntonmyersstl.com.